In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to create a webinar registration page in LeadPages quick and easy, so you can start capturing leads and filling up your webinars with minimal effort. Stay tuned, because not only will we walk you through each step, but we'll also talk about some alternatives that might even be better for your needs and give you an exclusive extended free trial for LeadPages and some of its competitors. First, let's jump into the process of creating a webinar registration page in LeadPages. When you first log into LeadPages, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, you want to click on Create New Landing Page and then select Webinar Registration Page from the templates. LeadPages has a lot of pre-designed templates specifically for webinars, so it's perfect if you want a fast solution that still looks professional. Next, after picking your template, you'll enter the page editor. This is where you get to customize everything, adding your webinar title, description, date, and time. The platform is easy to navigate, and you can drag and drop elements like text boxes and buttons wherever you need them. You can also set up a countdown timer, which is a great way to add urgency and boost registrations as the webinar date gets closer. The third thing you need to do is set up your form. LeadPages lets you easily integrate your email marketing software. Whether you use MailChimp, ConvertKit, or others, you can connect it within a few clicks, and that's where you'll collect your leads' contact info. This integration helps you manage your list and follow up with reminders before your webinar. Next, you'll want to focus on optimizing your registration page for conversions. LeadPages offers a lot of flexibility here, with options to add testimonials, logos, and other trust signals that make your page more credible. You can also add custom thank you pages after people register to let them know what to expect and increase anticipation for the webinar. Now, the fifth thing to keep in mind is mobile optimization. LeadPages automatically optimizes your pages for mobile, which is crucial since a large number of users will likely access your page from their phones. That said, you'll want to check the mobile preview to ensure everything looks great and is functioning as it should. The sixth thing is tracking and analytics. After your page is live, you can easily monitor its performance in the LeadPages dashboard. It gives you real-time data on how many people are registering, so you can tweak your page or marketing strategy if you need to. But before you think LeadPages is your only option, let's talk about a few alternatives. While LeadPages is user-friendly and has tons of templates, it does come with a higher price tag compared to other platforms. Plus, some users find that its page customization options are a bit limited if you want more advanced features. For a more customizable experience and a lower price, you might want to check out systems like ClickFunnels or Kartra. They both offer webinar registration page templates as well, but allow for more in-depth design tweaks and other powerful tools that can help automate more of your business processes. They also come with free trials, and if you're serious about your webinar marketing, these could be solid alternatives. Finally, before you go, I want to remind you that through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial for LeadPages. But we also included some fantastic alternatives that might suit your needs better, and these come with their own free trials. You'll get the best trial experience and special perks when you use our link, so check it out. By the end of the video, you'll have all the tools to build a powerful webinar registration page in LeadPages and know which alternatives might serve you better, especially if you're looking for something with more flexibility or lower pricing. Thanks for watching.